I am here with the famous blue Jay Bonsai and his famous friend Vince. And we're at Connon Nurseries, and we're going to have a look around.
It's not Connor's Nursery, it's Connon, but every time I see the sign, I think it's Connor as well.
It's not Connor's Nursery. Maybe someday Connor will start a nursery, but he's got enough trees to do it. But Connon Nurseries, okay. Looks like a big place. Let's go have a look. Out front, they have an Acer palmatum, the blood-good variety, and check out the size of the trunk on it. It is absolutely massive. Wow, that would make a big, big bonsai. That is beautiful leaves.
Yeah, I really like the leaves. Yeah. I mean, I love the trunk size on the last one, but the leaves on this one are nicer.
Yeah, that's really nice. And what's the price on that?
$7.99.
$7.99? That's a good deal. I'll take that one.
Yeah, I'll take a whole bunch at that price. As many as they'll get.
If only, eh?
Look, another one.
Oh, yeah. That looks a lot. That's not a Arakawa?
Yeah, it doesn't have the rougher bark. It's got a reddish bark, though, right?
Okay, because I have one at home, that cutting.
That's that same Sango Kaku.
Okay. That is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the red branches.
You
And...
run a little thing and it clip off. Get a couple of clippings.
Yeah. Check out the size of this place. I've never been to a greenhouse with ceilings like this high and amazing.
So they have a little, tropical bonsai section.
Cool.
These are all actually from Tropical Expressions.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
and
they
so this is
here, yeah.
wholesaled to here?
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I recognize the pots.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they got food and everything, and wow.
What's that one?
That's a olive, black olive.
Black olive. Yeah.
Oh, that is cute.
Yeah.
I think it'd be nice.
I saw them when they just brought them in. They had hundreds of them. And they're probably all sold out now.
Yeah?
Yeah, they go through a lot of trees there.
Do they?
Yeah. Like someone told me, if you see a tree there, there's another one.
I haven't seen the little Alberta spruces here before.
Oh, wow. Yeah, someone said if you see a tree at Tropical Expressions, buy it right away because they go through so much stock that it'll be gone the next time you come.
Yeah.
It's like the whole species. Like they just sell out the whole thing.
And then they might not get it in again for another year. Right?
Yeah. If they can. Yeah, they had, last time I was there, they had about 3 species of acacia.
Oh, yeah.
And I think this might be technically an acacia species, I think. I'm not sure.
You think?
Well, no, it's got that.
I'm not sure. I don't think it's a true olive.
No, it's not. No. Although
They're calling it a bonsai.
this label says parrot beak, but that's not what that is.
Oh,
No. That's a ginseng ficus, I can tell you that.
No wonder people get mixed up. All these new bonsai people, they buy these trees, they bring them home, and then they ask on the internet,
What is it?
No, they go, can someone help me with my parrot's beak? Right? And then they show an olive.
Yeah.
It's because the sticker is wrong.
Yeah, it could be. Or most people just think a bonsai is a bonsai and they're all the same. They don't realize there's different species of them. Well, that is cool.
I was going to say, the little tropical stuff is over here.
Yeah. Look at that.
And this is where I got those Scheffleras.
Okay.
I want to pot up into a little fluffy forest.
Wow.
They had an amazing price on them. They were like super on sale back in the winter.
Cool. This greenhouse has a cafe. I've never seen that before. The cafe here is just self-serve and you pay at the checkout. So I got a tart and a coffee. What an amazing greenhouse. Then through the walls of the greenhouse here, you go outside and there's just endless trees all under shade screen, shade cloth. It's amazing. Look at this.
Put this in a pot and
there you
bring it
go.
to the next show.
That is a beautiful leaf on it, isn't it? And does it have a trunk? Let's see. Oh yes, it does. Wow. That's amazing. What a tree. Yeah.
Or the lace leaf type.
Yeah, that's cool. It's amazing, this shade cloth here. It's like you're outdoors, but you're indoors, sort of.
I think this is that Sango Kaku again.
Okay.
Look, the leaves are so nice and small.
Yeah, those are really nice.
Can you imagine, over time, you could miniaturize these, in a bonsai pot? And,
Yeah, and they'd be even smaller.
yeah.
Look at the trunk
Big
on
chunk
it.
in there.
Wow. That's big, Jay.
Well, you'd air layer off this for sure up here.
You could take multiple
Oh, yeah, there's
layers.
the bird's nest.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, right there. See it?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Jay was telling me the birds like to make their nests in here in springtime.
It's always fun to see them. They're so cute.
Yeah. Except for blue jays.
Blue jays are too loud and annoying.
There's the row of ginkgos.
Let's go take a look at the ginkgos.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have any of those
Those-
chi-chis or munchkins or...
Yeah, the little leaf
Yeah.
varieties. Oh, I think they do. This is a small leaf variety here. Look at that. That's amazing how small the leaf is.
This one's menhir. Menhir.
Back in
Yeah,
the
but
old
these
days,
Look, these are
Look
small.
at the tiny leaves, no?
back in the old days, we had to reduce our leaf size the real way, defoliation.
Now you just
and-
buy them reduced.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are cool. But Vince, you were telling me that, because I'm new to ginkgo, I just have that one little one that I got from the club for free. They're really hard to air layer?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
And yeah, that's what I read anyway. I tried one earlier and it failed, so.
And actually,
I'm
I've
gonna
heard
believe the book that said.
I've
they're
heard
hard to air layer.
defoliation doesn't really work for leaf size on these either.
No, I think it dies off.
Does it? Okay.
I don't know, but I'm thinking it does.
Right. Yeah. They're not.
This, let me chop it here. Make this the new leader. Is that grafted?
Whew,
Is that?
I
That's
don't.
pretty good, no?
I don't know.
It's hard
oh,
to
no,
say.
that's the same.
Same
It's the
stock.
same. Yeah, maybe not.
Look how the one behind it. How,
Yeah, I know. Look at the
Look at
trunk
the
on that.
potential of that.
Look at this one. Oh, baby!
Look at that. It's got
It's got low branches.
Yeah.
Whatever, nice.
Look at the bark on it too. That's amazing, isn't it? Probably quite. How much is it?
Are you looking for the Incredibles? You're not looking for the Hercules?
366.
Okay.
Wow.
I think that's worth it. For this one.
That is nice. Very nice.
Wow, this one looks really cool.
What kind is that, Jay?
It is a Ukigumo.
Gumo.
Wow.
Jay, you're just making that up. That's not a real
I
name.
wish I was.
Probably making that.
I've never heard of that one. I'm sure a
It's a grant.
few of our friends like it.
A grand, eh? Ooh.
Do you think it's a nice air layer?
Different leaves on it though. Very nice leaves. Very small.
This is the
This is a Shin Desoto.
Shoujo.
Desoto. Japanese maple. So what's so special about the Shin, do you think? Is it?
I just remember a lot of the guys always looking for it. I guess, I think especially if you get it, right?
Yeah.
Some reduction. Look at the size
And
of
you
that.
get-
Yeah, it's already
The
small.
leaves are red when they come out and then
Red
green later.
and then, oh yeah. That's kind of
Like
nice.
this one here. Look at this beautiful little leaves.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this one.
Yeah, that's the Shin to show.
That's amazing. That is amazing.
Yeah.
So they change color throughout the season,
Right.
which is,
That's
and then they would get their fall colors. Oh,
$400.
Yeah.
No movement in the trunk at all though. They're not grown for.
no,
I think you buy these and you're taking air layers, right?
yeah,
For the most part. And then if it's not grafted or it's a good graft, then you're able to actually make something from
from the base, what you're
but
left with, yeah.
Really, you got to look for the air layer potential.
Here's these one Connor has these
Oh,
these ones with the really tight.
those are the
full-
marijuana ones.
Shishigashira.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, a lot of.
They're hard
lot
to
of
make them
pruning.
branch.
Is it? They just want to grow off the major
And,
branches. eh?
and every branch goes straight up and does this.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
At least this one,
Reminds me of those dwarf Enoki cypress. They
Exactly.
just
Yeah,
send
yeah,
up
yeah.
a shoot. And,
Yeah.
And then the branches come up the side. They're exactly the same as the trunk. And
I think it's a movement at least on this one.
Check out the size of this maple leaf here.
oh,
This is the
Katsura.
parent Katsura. This is the parent tree off that little leaf. And look how small the leaves are. And beautiful shape. Like
Beautiful.
they're not.
Yeah, they're perfectly shaped. They're
Yeah.
beautiful.
Wonderful. Yeah, some of the maples, like this one, it has the color, but it doesn't have the beautiful leaf shape, does it? It's a little
Yeah, that's a real.
not as delicate as this. This is more flowing, and this one has the red
You think they missed
stems.
a branch off this thing?
This one, unfortunately, this one I hear like John Koo and them talking about all the time. The
Oh, okay.
Mikawa Yatsubusha.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little. Oh, is that sun? Would that be from an insect or sunburn?
It looks like sunburn to me, or heat.
Heat.
Maybe it dried out or
Heat.
something. Yeah. Even though it's under the shade cloth, it's. Yeah, we've had some pretty hot days.
That's the other reason I don't go all in on the Japanese maples,
Yeah.
because you know.
Yeah. Once in a blue moon, they look good.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah.
As a bonsai.
You probably have to put up shade cloth and have a
Yeah.
special area.
Unless you get the blood goods and things like that, which you can pretty much put in.
Yeah. There's some easy Japanese maples, but there's some very difficult ones.
Anyways, they have a really good selection.
Yeah. I've never seen so many Japanese maples at a nursery. Look at this one. Holy. Wow. Beautiful trees. The Alberta spruce here. It's like a whole forest of Alberta spruce.
Just buy about 7 of them and make an instant big forest.
These are different. These are a special piece of Jeans Dilly, yeah. It looks like an even dwarf form of the Alberta spruce. Like it's even smaller.
The needles are so
Here's the
small.
normal one I'm used to.
This is really nice. Typical dog look. You know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're not
We
as,
gotta open these up.
they're not as prickly as the Alberta spruce.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
I might try one of
These
those.
will hurt you.
It's cool.
Acer Japonicum Ed Wood.
Ed Wood. Look at the leaves
Not
on
Dead
this
Wood.
one.
Ed Wood.
Not Acer palmetto?
No, it's Acer Japonicum.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a big tree, isn't it? I think I'd want that one delivered.
Just strap it to the roof of your,
Yeah.
your mic.
That'd be defoliating it naturally. And these are lilacs, are they over here? What are these ones? Yeah, French lilacs. Oh yeah.
That's fine.
Now there's one you could bring to the show just to
In a Dr. Zeus kind
Yeah.
of.
paint the trunk orange or something and bring it to a show.
Here's a nice
Ooh.
ginkgo that American.
Wow.
These are nice too.
Is that ever cool? What's the trunk like on it? It's not bad.
And grafted?
Yeah, they're all grafted.
Even these.
Oh, this is troll.
Yeah, this is a.
Troll, okay.
Yeah.
Well, the greenhouse is closing, so we're going out. We haven't made any purchases other than I got a coffee, which is maybe a good thing. Here's all their larger trees that are in the ground over here in burlap bags. Look at that Japanese maple. Wow, look at the leaves. This is an amazing one.
Oh.
It's big.
And look at the size of the leaves on
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's big, that one. It's big, big, big. Oh, does it?